Tipaimuk MLA and Mar leader Ngursang Sanate, who recently joined the formation of government in Manipur, has clarified that the decision to join the government led by Yumnam Khemchand was made in the interest of putting forward the peace process, and it was a decision made by consulting the constituents, supporters and leaders from his community. MLA Sanate said in an interview with the Indian Express newspaper. Now, clarifying his stance, MLA Sanate further maintained that people have suffered and there are lots of people who still cannot go to their native villages and houses. Some of them are staying in areas outside Manipur or camps and complexes provided by the government. There are day-to-day laborers who are suffering. To earn a livelihood, there has to be peace. Commenting on the demand for separate administration, MLA Sanate said such things cannot happen at a moment's notice. The SU, Suspension of Operation groups, UPF and KNO are in political talks and negotiations with the government of India for this, and that will continue. That is a gradual process, but we can't wait for that. We need some peace and development and for people to go back to their places. Insisting that agreeing to join the government does not mean we have surrendered. He said the Naga talks have also been going on for decades, but if the Naga people say that till it is resolved, we will not have any form of government, that can't be the way. A government has to be there to look after the people. On the charge that he and the other two MLAs have betrayed the people and their sufferings, MLA Sanate asserted that if there is no government, the suffering will continue. For any problem, the solution has to be arrived at the table, not by guns, not by fighting and killing. He and his people need to be part of that table. While clarifying that those protesting are not from the Mar community, MLA Sanate also highlighted the support shown by Indigenous Tribes Advocacy Committee, a civil organization of Mars from Farzol and Jirbam districts, which issued a statement saying that MLA Sanate is representative of their area and warned against any attempt to demean, intimidate, threaten or cause harm to their MLA.